In the early months of the year, we found ourselves in this place I've always wanted to go to. Welcome to Harbin. It instantly became one of my most favorite places in the world to visit, where there's glass-like buildings made of ice, with an imaginary landscape that's brought to life in China's far northeast near Russia, with temperatures even colder than my freezer back home. What would have otherwise have been an unbearable Siberian winter becomes a festival full of fun, joy, and excitement. Despite the unbearably chilling cold, everyone is out and about and enjoying it. There's no age limit here, and certainly no limits on possibilities. Walk past the Colosseum as you would in Rome, or step into Beijing, or visit the polar opposite version of Dubai, and even perhaps Russia. If I could plan my wedding all over again, it would most definitely be here. I could even mail the invites from this frozen post office. It's nice just to wander about and admire the architecture. The scale of it all makes us wonder at the possibilities and marvel at the sheer ambitious effort put into bringing all of this to life. Surely such a place like this can only exist in your imagination. All of this is made out of humble blocks of ice. Just frozen water. Thousands of workers transformed Harbin's harsh sub-zero winter into its greatest advantage. Winter Wonderland. Tons and tons of ice are carved out of this frozen river nearby, and there's still plenty left over. If you're brave enough, you can even walk from one side to the other. I wasn't. The city parks are full of ice art and sculptures made from artists all over the world, with such great amount of skill and detail. And just like a mandala, these are all created with knowing that they will soon eventually melt away and disappear. Even the simplest joys can be found here. What also amazed me were all these different ways you can commute in the cold. Like, who knew you could ride a bicycle on ice? And what would you call this? Perhaps it's a ski sleigh? Next time you have an office cleanup, why not weld the chairs to a ski? The amount of activities here are endless. I never thought I could feel so small when seeing these larger-than-life snow sculptures. Snow buildings? This one here is the Temple of Heaven, which you can find in the capital Beijing. Harbin for me was truly unique and such a memorable place. I really hope you too can brave the cold and visit. Thank you for watching my video. I would really love to know what you think in the comments below. Please also find tips for your visit to Harbin on my blog, and you can keep up to date with us on Instagram. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.